kunzima nje nokuthi singene. Okay, nayo. Tina sizwe, makosa wazulu Onyamagandaba Ubano Awenda Bezitanda Bezita Onyana ya makosa wazulu Onyamagandaba Awenda Bezitanda Bezita Onyana ya makosa wazulu Onyamagandaba Ubano Awenda Bezitanda Bezita Onyana ya makosa wazulu Onyamagandaba Ubano Awenda Bezitanda Bezita Onyana ya makosa wazulu Onyamagandaba Ubano I'm ready. Anum kubula. Anum tudul. Anukai. Anum zam. Sela kinonke. Ngakini makhosi eninyathele ngaphakathi kwendawo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Makehla ukuthi sitholile ithuba namhlanje ukuzonyathela. Sizokhabula umoya kaAnpu. Umoya kaAnpu yiwona osenzela lento abathi transmutation. Meaning ukuthi ngale season le you are able ukuthi construct something in your head, and lo moya we transmutation uyakuncedisa kanjani into uyiqala la emqondweni uyibone the whole picture, but mawulokho wenza ama repetition igcina imanifesta in the physical. So uAnpu ke usinikeza ke leso sifundo asiyinto ele. Kepha ke namhlanje we are talking about uAnpu and the symbolic thinking. Abelungu in the 18th century, between the 18th and 19th century, yibona basikhipha from symbolic thinking. Basifaka kuphi logic. But we must use logic in everything that we do. And yet tina okhokho bethu were there in the symbolic thinking. As an example, uAnpu, impungushe. Abantu might think ukuthi sithandaza lempungushe. Kanti it's a symbol that represents a higher frequency that we need to connect to. So that is symbolic thinking. So umuntu that is not initiated in African philosophy and African spirituality, uzothi siyaloba, uzothi singamaluminati, kanti no lutho, yabona. So manje ke lokho kuhambelana ne-education system yethu. Education system yethu was the same. We're not supposed ukuthi size siyofika e-university silokho sikrema. Why? Because the system esikuyo ye logic. Umlungu uthi nali phepha, here's the curriculum. Where now it doesn't matter what you think, what we have calculated about this problem. Mina ngifuna ukuphendula ngale. So that it capture your creativity. Ukuthi wena mawubona le problem, umoya wakho uthini, how do you resolve it? So yena ke umlungu uthi hayi, don't tell me about that. To me that is mambo jumbo. Uthi umlungu ke nayi exam paper. When we are going to answer what I've asked you. Hayi lento wena uyicabangayo ukuthi ngaba yini. So manje ke ingakho sathi uma ke laba besifaka kule logic yabo, that is when spiritually and culturally we're dead, because we're not then able to fully express ourselves. Thina singabantu bama science okhokho bebebhala indaba kuma caves, use images so that anybody that passes there can actually read ukuthi labantu bebethi. So that is symbolic thinking. So umlungu, when he talks about logic, we have to limit because any into that we must know ukuthi there was a scientific study that was done in terms of genetics. Europe, Asia and everywhere, labelungu benza study, and what they were studying, DNA. DNA kwatholakala ukuthi wonke umuntu emhlabeni une DNA that has got 6 strands. China, belungu, everybody else. Bayibiza ukuthi DNA series. meaning ukuthi inama strands I6. But thina abantu abamnyama internationally nase Europe nase America, they found ukuthi we've got 9 DNA series, meaning ukuthi thina we were fully carried till the end. So zonke lezinye izizwe, that's why they retained DNA series 86. Why? Because they were like premature babies. They were not fully developed. So thina singabantu abamnyama, naturally DNA series yethu it's 9. Meaning ukuthi we were fully developed. Savela thina ngoba izulu nomhlaba zavumelana ukuthi sekuyisikhathi for us to actually, you know, emerge la emhlabeni. Manje ke makhehla yingakho ke sizikhumbuza ukuthi, you know, okhokho bebekuphi ngoba that is where we need to go back to. As an example, a national symbol. A national symbol, it's a symbol that should carry not only a representation of the physical but also of the spiritual, because lezwe leli yizwe lomoya. So you can't then beseke ubeka izinto zenyama phambili. Okhokho bethu bayuza iphi falcon there, but shokuthi that was the national symbol yaseKemet. Why falcon? If falcon, as I explained before, it flies the highest and it has the most speed amongst zonke inyoni, and it attacks with precision. Ingaba le phezulu ibone ifish lapha phansi, it just goes there and out without ukuthi ithole lamanzi. So they felt ukuthi this is the best representation yelanga. Falcon represents the sun, umvelinqana, lo sithi uqamatha. Why? Because when you see the wings, like here la ebondweni, a winged, you know, sun disk, it means ukuthi ilanga iline influence nayo yonke into emhlabeni. So when you see the wings, is the influence of the sun. Yini into that is not, you know, affected by the sun on earth. Hey, so these were then the symbols that were chosen to represent certain principles, to represent certain, you know, energies that emanate from above. So, masibuga, the whole of the continent, the whole of the continent, representation yakon. Since Arab, there's that moon and the star in between. So Tina don't know ukuthi ku flag yethu what represents umoya. Ngoba nale nyoni sibona lapha ku flag abayichazi. To me inama links nala. But manje bayayifihla leyo ndaba. Kanjani? Because we need to understand and interpret our national symbol. So if it says aga team, it means ukuthi ayenzelwanga thina. It wasn't designed for us. Because bokumele ichazwe njengoba ngichaza the falcon. Ukuthi the reason why there is this bird imele lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. So it means ukuthi okhokho everything bebeyenza. Remember sitheni, as above so is below. So it means ukuthi the cosmic order has to be replicated here on earth. So ifalcon uHeru, that is the representative yelanga. Yingakho namakhosi, amakhosi bokuba babiza ukuthi they are Heru Shemshu. Heru Shemshu, meaning ukuthi the followers of Heru, the followers of the sun. It means ma ungena lapha kulesa situlo wena uzoyenza intando kaMvelinqani, hayi intando yakho. Ngoba wena uyakhumbula ngathi isigodi is a representative, si representa ilanga nenyanga through inkosi nendlovukazi, inkosi nenkosikazi esigodlweni. Meaning ukuthi uMvelinqani or the son may communicate nathi, I communicate through you, wena nkosi ohlele kulesa sihlalo. Yingakho kuthiwa umlomo wenkosi awuqambi manga, ngoba sikholelwa ukuthi lonke izwi olusho livela kuMvelinqani. So that is symbolic thinking. Besazi ke ukuthi thina mesiyibona ke le sign, besazi ke ukuthi labantu laba esiyohlangana nabo, they are enlightened, meaning ukuthi basebenzela umoya, abazenzeli bona self. Khona la kule ncwadi besiyifunda on Tuesday kukhuluma ngenkosi that was satisfied umoya wayo, meaning ukuthi uMvelinqani noNomkhubulwane the way ifrequency bebexhumana ngakhona nalenkosi. Lenkosi beyijabule kakhulu to a point ukuthi yenza isithembiso ukuthi izokwakhela uMvelinqani noNomkhubulwane isakhiwo that will live for eternity. Meaning ukuthi lo muntu lo ube benefita from knowing these laws that govern the universe. So he was just too happy for our achievements akhe wonke ukuthi umdali uMvelinqani ngizomenzela lesenzo ngoba nami anginikeze amandla ukuthi ngikhonkare lokhu nalokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Ngiyaphila namhlanje because of uMvelinqani. So la ngifuna ukubuya khona ke futhi ukuthi Makhehla isakhiwo and the symbols, African symbols are very important, especially for generation as Tina, we need to expose these African symbols and their meaning, because uma ingane ibuka what happens in parliament, representation ama symbols ala ama symbol abelu. There's no symbol that represents us in parliament, not only in South Africa but all over the continent. Angazi mina ngabona ukuthi there's a country that demonstrates or ilenduza ikhombisa ama symbols ase Africa. Shokuthi all over the continent except lama pyramids abhidwa okhokho bethu, there is no structure that represents African spirituality all over the continent, and those are symbols that we should be seeing. Meaning what spirituality said is represented by a pyramid. Mobatina singabantu bela, children of the sun. Nine series. Meaning what tina siyazi ropa all over the continent. I see that structure samandia. Beautiful structure that Mitren. Then I ask myself, Amandia, they are foreign in this country. But it depends as long as it was the right. Tina, we are in control of the resources. But we hardly, asakulumi no spirituality, no, they don't believe okay, the center of power, architecture ibuyapi. Who designed a union building? Who designed the union building? Abelu. So tinage sitting. No, but that's the first thing of medicine means. ukuthi okay fine lokho kunye sizokubona, let us make indlu yethu la sibusela khona irepresent thina. But now if singazazi thina, how are we going to even suggest that? So it means umsebenzi mnengi ngoba abantu okumele sibancede kakhulu abaholi bethu. Sibonga indlovukazi namhlanje. Thokoza indlovukazi. Indlovukazi ila indlovukazi ngoba izohabula nayo. So that tomorrow abe a leader that is different from other leaders. Uyazi siyayifisa leyo. Kuke ku-image somebody that is different in their thinking. Ukuthi no mina I represent Africa. I am centered in African philosophy. Siyayifisa lento. I remember at some point besikhalela ukuthi ngathi singaqasha uRobert Mugabe akaze la South Africa zo shake izinto kancane. It was a wish about yakhe. Why sibona ukuthi there is a problem in leadership in our country. And I would tell abantu laba, you know, abafundile kepha bafunde Western philosophy. So manje Western philosophy uzoyipusha to a certain extent. Otherwise amakhehla nawo amadlozi will resist. And sizobona ngezenzo the way kwenzakala izinto ngakhona. So we spoke about you know, in parliament. But now sibuye la ku-ANPU. U-ANPU yi-season futhi mokwenziwa ama-rituals. Ama-rituals to empower izinto ezinjengalezi. Ama-artifacts your anger. Yonke into ebaziwe that is meant to protect you and create resonance ethize. Yisi isikhathi lesi. Mpho awufundani ngco. Ngoba bokumele ngabe ucollecte wonke ama-anger. Sawa empower through umoya ka-ANPU. You understand? Angisathi ama-ANPU kuphela. Anything that we need. Uzwa uma ubaza i-structure ska OSET. Empower u-OSET this time. Ukuthi OSET mangikhuluma nawe ngifuna ungizwe. I'm empowering ugodo lolu. Do you understand? So isikhathi sakhona lesi ama-rituals ayenziwayo whether i-ankh, whether i-lentuza, you know, i-jet pillar, all these sacred spiritual artifacts zi-empowerisha this time so that zi-protect umuntu angathi ufake nje i-ankh kanti you have empowered it ingamchoka. Yes. Uma uthumela that energy to the ankh ukuthi uyangihlupha lo awuthile na thokoza. So yingakho ke sikhuluma namhlanje about symbolic thinking so that we understand ukuthi okhokho bebehlonipha lo moya and bebazi ukuthi ngalesikhathi sithize kumele kwenzakale izinto ezithize and izinto that will show results. Hayi ukuthi wenze into but there are no results, then now but discouraged. So okhokho bethu, that is why they were saying asi-align, but using that as symbolic thinking for us, because any into that is dangerous. If lama symbols and the energy and the power is controlled by an evil person, that's dangerous. That is why you had to be initiated, so that you take the oath of Ma'at, which you are not going to hurt people. The minute you enter Leo, who use the power for negative, you know, things, there are repercussions for you. Sizozwa ngawo. Ukhalela singazi ukuthi ukhalela. Kanti ushawaye lo moya, ugangi. Ugange ngalo moya. Lo moya akumelanga ugange ngawo. Kumele uwazi ukuthi uyaphila, uya-exista, but ube uhlonipha. Ngoba lo moya is for empowerment. is for us to empower each other. If ngazi ukuthi ngiyohamba endaweni enzima, mele mhlambe ngibaze iScarab Beetle ngoba kuthiwa i-energy yale Scarab Beetle, it can defeat any army once uyiphethe nje and uyikhomba ngale direction. I'm just making an example. So izinto lezo okumele sizi understand about our spirituality ukuthi each and every season i-energy ekhona kumele siyisebenzise ngale ndlela. And ama-symbols lakithi asemqoka ngoba uzwa ke okhokho bathi mebechaza umntana bathi umveli nqa uqamatha uRamasedi. Uyabona ke lapha, it's a symbol with substance. Kunale debate khona namhlanje about the Ancestors Day. Abantu nje kunele heavy debate ukuthi how can you today uze ne number nje, just a number nje, a thumbs up number that doesn't resonate with nature. Kanjani? How do you do that? Because manje abodaki sebevukile. Mawuthi 23, you need to explain why 23. Ungabekile number bese kuyabaleka. Kanjani? Manje thina mele silandele nje ezimvu. We are not sheep. Sifuna understand this ukuthi kunjani, because it then becomes a symbol with no substance. There is no energy that is backing or grounding that date. So how can we then follow that thing sithi no senzela amakhehla umsebenzi ngalela? Sibenzela njani umsebenzi singashwelezanga? Okumele ngabe sashweleza 94. Esibabonga. Okumele sibabonga ukuthi finally in a very peculiar way umhlaba ubuyile, because awukabuyi. Bekumele sibonge nje lezinga sesikulo. Sishweleze futhi ukuthi siyaxolisa ukuthi saniflathela. You can't then come up ngelanga, especially coming from a royal who's supposed to be a royal person. How do you do that? Because Tina, who are ignorant of these things, siyajabulela sikulandele. Can you see some kotindo? We've been through such things before. So when you stand up as a leader and articulate something, you've got to be sure. And the 40 I would knowledge we are around. Why we are so concerned? Ego ya. GK Mkulu Netani. This is the intention. Where Suletu Chwa? On a sacred day when already Castle Mixed Out is there with you. So that's the symbol without substance. Because to remember our ancestors, sit down man on that day. The Castle Mixed Out. Sit down on that day, Castle Mixed Out. Symbol without substance. And the ilula lendo uzo abanye abantu, somebody umfonela izolo, hey mkhulu, for the sake of black unity, why ninga support lendo ngithi khehla futhi I must call these people so that sizame ukuthi supportana kanjani. Ngoba in the first place, when uhambe wayokhuluma nabelungu washiya thina so Finalize even if I were to talk now, there's no point. Money has exchanged hands. So akusena ndaba ukuthi ubani uthini. I-date has been set next week. So usazokhuluma uthini. But manje lokho tina kusiphethe kabi because we're hoping ukuthi amakhosi banathi. Okokuqala, the African New Year. That is the date of kumele ngabe iyofficializwa qala. So that sibe the foundation on how we remember our ancestors through a calendar.
Yes.
And they remember our ancestors. Ahamba nelanga. Ilanga meli haba later nabo baya haba later. So that you know, many years ibuya na. That's the day you should align the ancestors, remembering them. So manje, if you are ignorant of this African philosophy, uzochaisa. Just humble yourself. Sifuni unity, yes, but not ukuthi bese yesiya lahlekisana. And then akona ego ya. Bonke labantu they know me. Hayi ukuthi nje sibulisane strategy. We spent some time with them. We planned things with them. But now because kunabelo ne parliament ne government, we can't associate nomkhulu. Okusalayo, you have to realign the nature because lento ngisho engiyenzayo, it's about nature. It's not about my ego or umkhulu whatever. It's not about me. It's about realigning umuntu omnyama back to that nature. So that that relationship between ourselves and the nature, it must be solidified. So manje when I'm ego, I'm not going to go to Mkhulu. Ibrahim, close friend of mine. But because of now, in the bleach. Hey, Mzoti. No, I'm not going to talk to that guy because that guy is making other people uncomfortable. And then it finishes. Messi Kulman September, in nature confirms. In nature confirms. I see in the Pumago Koko in Japan, they studied the nature. Messi Kulman June, city the real Christmas. Mhlambe ngabe sakadvise ukuthi yenza lelo langa kube i-21st sika June ngoba kwenzaka lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. But when I decide ukwenza izinto zakho. So into enza manje ukuyisho ukuthi Makhehla i-ego sometimes yiyo le ezosmosha. Yiyo lezo smosha and enye into Makhehla. Lento yomoya, it's not about numbers. It's not about numbers. It's about equality. Lento idonsa abanikazi bayo. I don't have lokhu idonsa wonke umuntu. Lokho posta izinto lapha kuma Facebook, Instagram. Then uthola ama likes. It's not about my likes. It's about ukuthi uyayizwa na. Ikhuluma negazi lakho na. Mina khulumi negazi lakho it means ukuthi isikhathi sakho asikafika. Linda ungajaha. Hey, hamba kancane. Sofika isikhathi sakho nawe. Hey, ilapho Makhehla. Ilapho nje ukuthi ngize ngisho kwenye inkosazana sine meeting la ngithi Tina asina competition na anybody. And asijahelanga now. Tina siholwa umoya. Hey, umoya uthi sihambe nabantu abayi free flow. La ngaphakathi. Ngoba itrain yaqwa. kanti igcwele amamenemene la sokumane niyofika khona kuma jami lapho sekuyagazana la bayibona ingozi yingakho akumelanga sijahe mele silandele umoya mawuhlanza abanye abantu kule train abaphume vele abafuneki injalo ngoba egcineni kwenzeka sifike siyithenjo siqale siyi1000 kebe egcineni sofika siyithenjo impossible nayo le ngoba ulokhu uyasala la endleleni mawungekho right la hawu uyasala nje and now futhi Mawuthi hey sithi hayi naligate mawungasafili ukubala naligate ngoba akumelanga masilama sizosebenzela imimoya yethu we are not coming here for school idlozi lakho elikulethe la idlozi lakho elenze ukuthi uyizwe le message. It's not anybody. Nami I'm fulfilling my duty. Ngoba bangikhama ngedwe ebusuku. Ngalokho ngihleka ngani amakhaya. Kepha ebusuku kunzima. Ngoba bathi wena manje soba neqhwekwe. Injalo. So manje njengoba ngizosebenzela idlozi lami. So that lijabule nalo. Ngoba I'm fully expressing intando yalo. It's not my way. If it was my way, somebody could be, a leader of a political party. Ngoba I'm power hungry. It's not fun. Even at the expense of the nation, I then become by default a helper of a colonizer to maintain his system, and I'm not going to do that. There's a 200,000. Hey. Isikhumba senkomo. And I'm mfundisi ngizoqhama sela. Amfune mfundisi sedeki family. Wena kuba abantu basekhaya nani because niyangazi. Ningaletha umuntu ongangazi. Futhi wasenimbhadele nathi umkhulu bengasonto please sicela nayi 5,000 awumama foolishness angeke ngamukela abakithi mengibikwa umunye umuntu ongangazi mele ngibikwa amangwana sekhaya kuthiwe nangu ungwane ungulazi omnyama isango elibani elingenqiwa abafokaza belenziwa inkonjane ngoba nalo ludizela manje uyomkhuza kanjani wena ungazazi zonke lezi yinto ke ebopha ogogo bethu shame bayemasontweni every day because bafuna ukungcwatshwa umuntu uhluphekile nje imali kaSasa uyibekele icollection shame ukuthi nokoleka nje lo muntu angcwabe nabo labafundisi laba because bathanda imali yibo abanesono esikhuluke la igebengu vele wazi kahle ukuthi wena usithole ukhuluma kanjani idlozi lakwamtshali manje awunamvume wasizoletha lo Jesu umuntu wa Israel ngaba idlozi mina ngangikhuluma idlozi lapha mthetho ngoba ngushongwane kuyala amadlozi ayala what more ke Israel umoya ofika njani that's the foolishness esidinise kuye yile lento esifake kuye abelungu bathi logic yo logic ke la thina we are in symbolic thinking hey and mengibona vele kuntsweni wangena inyosi endlini from nowhere ngiyazi ukuthi sengiphumile kuleyo mpilo and kanjalo that's symbolic thinking hey isandla siyaluma ngithi nqa mama hayi nyuku yangena that's symbolic thinking it's nothing ukuthi you know a difficulty for us to understand hey ukuthi silandela umoya remember ukuthi amadlozi they don't have the physicality abanamzimba so idlozi likhuluma nawe ngendlela eyinengi mawenza ikunqola uzobona impukane ilokhu kulandela uthi angilandela lempukane kanti lento yenzile hey idlozi liyakutshela ukuthi wenza amanyanga and uyazi wena wenza amanyanga angeke futhi usitshela manga ngoba umoya wakho uzopayisa uma athi khona la ngaphansi so symbolic thinking hiyo makhela ungathi mawubona mhlambe kungena as an example ikati the way sesinikeze a negative you know picture ngakhona libamba umoya omubi endaweni yingakho abathakatha balifuna ikati ngoba liyabajambise so ama symbol uzwa nesikhova khetha awumariyazi how heru isikhova thokoza gogo the way isikhova sine negative huh abelungu bathe no into yokuloya le nix kanti hayi wisdom lizokuhlephulela sizokuhlephulela isikhova uma sibone ebusuku ungasabi uyovuka lapha besilapha mhlambe phezulu kwefence uvuke nje neminye imibono nomoya nje wokujabula sometimes. Why? Because we are no longer aware of this thing. Qongqothwana skarabhike okhokho bethu nabomama bethu they knew the symbolism zalezinto ukuthi makubonakala lo kusho ukuthini, especially mawulahlekelwe indlela, you've lost your path, uyibona lento izama ukubuyisa consciousness yakho because Qongqothwana always follows the path of the sun. So when I'm out diverted from your path, your path, uhlangana nale Qongqothwana, you must know ukuthi izama ukucommunicate kuwe. You then need to decode ukuthi meleni lento. Then bese uthola indlela ukuthi how do I realign my path again, because ngathi bese ngiphambuka. So umoya ukhuluma ngalawo ma symbols lakithi. Abanye abantu bathi balindi idlozi livele umuntu vele ushonile lo muntu wase ushonile lo muntu phathi ufuna avele ngesifu sakhe. Nakubaleke mengavele lo muntu ayizobaleka. Hey manje lo moya mawufuna ukucommunicate nawo ucommunicate nawo ngendlela eyiningi through ama signs. Yikho thina abantu bomoya siphila ngama signs. Mengivuka ekseni ngizwa ukuthi umoya wami unjani uthini uthi ngenzeni Mawuthi namhlanje ngenzi lutho vele ngiyahlala, I don't do anything. Kube nelinye ilanga ngivuke nginenye energy kube ngathi yazi ngasuka manje emdrive ngiyobona umuntu omthize. Ngenze njalo vele mengifika athi vele bengikulindile man cash. Kunini ngikufuna ngilokho ngizama ukukufonela. Umoya ungitshelile ukuthi gijima uyobona le ndoda. Symbolic thinking. So that is how thina abantu bomoya we should be. And cut off yonke lento yabelungu ukuthi you know silokho use logic. Kanjani? Akuna logic kulento yabo. Because remember ukuthi logic means ukuthi u understand from A to B. Manje abelungu ba understand from B to C. A to B abasilutho. Where's the logic la? There's no logic even kulento yabo. When you are saying to me the causal plane mambo jumbo, it means awuna logic kulento isho. You can't explain to me ukuthi itamati lo ibona lapha phansi. What principles are involved ukuze ifomele? You can't answer that ambukuzumlo. Ukuthi what principles are involved? What energy is prevalent this time? They won't tell you. Why? Because they don't believe in such things. It's like in nature just fell from the sky, bomb. And it's not supported by anything. In nature it's supported by umoya ovela ngaphezulu. Manje when I'm also studying everything that is manifested, you are limited in terms of understanding. So these are some of the things again, Mrs. Fuele Ekaya, our true home, which is Kemet. Mrs. Fuele Ekaya, our true home, which is Kemet. Umele Sibuyele and encourage symbolic thinking again. In that way, unweba nomqondo wakho. Your unweba is not limited. Into uyahlaziya ngokamoya. Fana meeting no meeting. We are surely meeting ngokamoya. Ungakasuki. Bonke abantu abakulo meeting ubahlole ukuthi lo unjani uthi hayi nangu umuntu ozonginika iproblem. Mawufika vele kunjani. But at least so uhlolile ngokamoya. Ufika lapha you are able to defeat nje much easier. That's how we are as African people. Ipower yethu la understanding izinto zomoya. And nokuthi umoya ucommunicate kanjani nathi. Ungaboni inyosi ucabanga ukuthi uyalona. Baba wase next door. Remember ukuthi inyosi is symbol yobukhosi in Kemet philosophy, African philosophy. Inyosi is symbol yobukhosi. Remember ukuthi honey is the only thing engavula ngithi. Eh. Ihlala pure. Njani? Ihani. Ayiboni. Hey, it means ukuthi okhokho they studied news. They studied everything for them to even make it as an, emblem of their royal house. They knew very well which news symbolize even remember ukuthi African philosophy or just African culture. It's maternal. So, inyosi zilandela. Queen bee. Hey, they gather around the queen. Hey. So we are bona ke ukuthi ubukhosi buvela. Ngizosho enye into la engayinakwatisa amakhefu. Ukuthi kahle ijini yobukhosi. Kuthiwa ikumama. The royal gene ikumama. angithi nasazi ukuthi ikubaba okhokho bathi ikumama. That is why inkosi marries inkosazana ukuze iqualify to sit on the throne. Manje any debate ke any debate leyo izobanga umsindo kabi. And then nakhona it's not supposed to. Umama uyakuzala so sure. Uyinkosi because uzalwe uye man. Manje, why would you see anything wrong with that? Those are symbols. Again, symbolic thinking. Symbolic thinking to think ukuthi ilanga lethu is energized by a female energy, the Sirius star. Manje, why are you negating the fact ukuthi ungazala ke? It can never happen. It can never happen. Me have realized ukuthi inkinga yethu singabantu abamnyama silandele abelungu. Maybe the female energy has no relevance. Sahamba na. Sakhohlwa ukuthi thina how much we elevated. Ngesizulu kunenkosi. Unenkosikazi. It means inkosikazi is above the king. Manje, why are you shocked mengithi the royal gene is from the mother? Why are you shocked? This will cause a confusion, yes, I know that. But iqiniso lelo at some point kumele sikhonfront. Ngoba kuthiwa, remember ukuthi the African woman is the only woman that carries a gene called the mitochondria. And that gene ingazala any race on earth. Chinese, whatever, Indian, white people, young Indo. And that is the only person, an African woman, carries that gene. It confirms that all shades of humanity are from an African woman. Through that mitochondrial DNA. So this is the symbol, the African symbols, and the African philosophy. Le okumele thina sidlule nayo. Masithi siyaphambili. Siye ngephambili ngempela. Singenzi izinto esizamsakhala because of my ego. Ngithi no, African New Year, it's on my birthday. Injalo. Then abantu balandela. Because umkhulu is articulate, yonke into ayishaya right. Awusabuzi ke nawe ke emoyeni ukuthi le nto ayisho umkhulu njani. So kumelanga kube njalo makhezo. Kumele siyithobe all the time. It doesn't matter how big you are. In the physical, abantu ukuthi bakubeka kuwe. But wena sithobe all the time because uma uzithoba ukhuphula lo moya. Lo moya uhambelani ne-ego. Umoya kumelanga ukhuphuke ne-ego ithi. Then i-confusion phezulu. Sithobe. I-power yethu ukuyithoba. Even if uzazi ukuthi wena unswembu, you are the best in this and that and that, sithobe. Ungazikhukhumezi. Hayi ngazomgcina nini. Maba ngikho ngoba niyazi le. Cabanga lezo nkulumo ebantwini. Bakhona abantu aba-arrogant in that way. Bakhona abantu abanjalo. So we must never be like that. Kumele si-avoid leyo nto. Futhi the more kuba ngathi uyakhuphuka is the more kumele ube yitapeti. So that umoya uhambe lapha bakubone wena uyaflya yonke into yakho iyahamba. Why? Because uzenze itapeti wehlise i-ego. Once wehlise i-ego, umoya uyakhuphuka. njengamanje ngithi sikule ntuze hibernation. Inyama isele emuva. Sihamba ngomoya. Sindiza ngomoya. So kumele kube njalo. The physicality must be contained. The ego must be contained. Okhokho they would carry stuff less uwas in a candle cassette. La on the left. Uhleli nje lapha esalweni sakhe sokhosi unalenduko la. Because he needs or she needs to remind themselves ukuthi uSet leaves every minute and I've got to defeat uSet all the time. Mele ngumbeke indawo yakhe. Ego maiza uthi hayi ngiyakuzwa wena na indawo yakho. That's how we deal with the arrogance ebantwini. Must never be arrogant. Hey. Ngoba wawena nje njengami I learn every day. Sometimes ngifunda kini during a discussion nje. Ukhulume something, trigger something in my mind. Ngihamba ngiyo research more. Ngiyabuya lapha I'm well, informed now because of a minor conversation where you might think it's minor kanti. Whatever we are saying, it's powerful. Inganceda nga something. So nathi akumelanga sizenyeze. Be confident. Be who you are. Angitsoyazazi ukuthi uantu hetero uchihuchi ulendoza. Hey, because mawuzazi at that elemental level, you will never be confused. And ukuba khona kwakho akusho ukuthi wena. Remember ukuthi there are 12 seasons. And these seasons they ruled by 12 principles. But these 12 principles are supposed to complement each other, not to compete with each other. Ukuze sithunge lento ize ibe yinto enhle. We're not supposed to compete with each other. Uzumuntu ukuthi no mina idlozi lami is much stronger than yours. Uzukhulume lento arrogantly. Hayi mina ngiyaziwa vele. Eh. Azisho igama lakhe ukuthi yena usibanibani. Inyanga enkulu kahle. Wena utshela thina kunokuthi thina sitshele wena. What arrogance is that? Thina mele sikutshele ukuthi awunswebu lezenzo zakho futhi. Hey, hayi ukuthi uzositshela. Ayisebenzi kanjalo makhahle. Oh, so I hope ke nitholile ukuthi le symbolic thinking esikhuluma ngayo iyini ngoba sithola ukuthi mina I get hurt, especially makuvulwa le parliament. Khona lento egowusha abayiphathayo bathini vele yini le nto le khona lento abayibamba lapha eparliament egowusha omuntu lokho amatsha ngayo yini vele
ngathi isymbol Anglican. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's an Anglican symbol Anglican. I think it's
symbol Anglican.
It's all Christianity stuff.
Yeah, manje those are symbols leyo. It means ukuthi umlungu is still in charge. Even in our so-called house.
Now maybe abayazi ukuthi symbolize. Maybe it empowers a white man that symbol.
Let's replace that thing and show man. The president never party show. That's a symbol of Kosimate. All the and the Nalabotag, you are carrying it. They look so foolish. And no fire in the taxi, don't know. You shall never find it. So, Ingos in the center. Hey, Chokuti, Basen, this is Donati. We cannot explain. What we done in the Muzai, he didn't What are you going to say? So can just mind as far as we explain. Hey. Now in Parliament, remember there's this guy who is a Mason. Umlungu lo who donated that land. What? Rhodes.
John Rhodes.
Who's this John Rhodes? He was a Mason. Who bear a statue side who surely at certain angles. Our Masons are able to read those angles. Would you know? Mega so well, now what are you reading there? Because you are not a Mason. Unless hey, bakona bantu abodakasaba seba Mason. And the Lomlungulo, Utiwa donated that land, the parliament. Why donated Amapu? But on top of that, Une Sondolabo Mapaz. Soni nani busy nilwa no lava. Pesu. Bantanda sena na Mapaz. Vela kuchimenjani. Hey. Kunesondola Mason the parliament lapha phansi. Uthi why kune-confusion lapha? Ngiyakhwebhala nje ngathi ngabantwana. Hawu! Ubona nje amadoda bashana ngamanqindi eparliament kanjani makhehla. Khipha inhlonipho lapha. Thina siyazi leyo. Thina sazi indlunkulu meyihleli. Kuba nokuthula. And endlunkulu into engiyazi awusukuma uphawule mongazazi indaba zakho. Ngoba that will be the last day you ever talk. Hey, that will be the last day you ever say something endlunkulu. Manje thina sazi ke leyo nto. That's our symbol of rulership. Indlunkulu is represented by igodi from all over in that area. Isigodi sikabanibani, isigodi sibama bahlangana bonke. That is our democracy. Indlunkulu. Bonke from different meaning ukuthi isizwe sonke is represented esigodlweni. So uzwabelungu bathi bazene democracy. Vele democracy. They are crazy. They are crazy. Tina sazi ukuthi indlunkulu nesigodi kula kuhlonitshwa khona. Ungadelela ngaphandle lapha. Kepha mawunyathela endlunkulu esigodlweni. Uba nenhlonipho. Automatically. Manje nakho ke makhehla engushoyo ukuthi even the way how we are governed as African people is completely different from lento sibona isekhasi yalapha eParliament. Isekhasi yangempela. It's not supposed to happen that thing. Leyo nto leyo it testifies ukuthi ayibusiswanga le Parliament and ngeke izibusiso. Yaphahlelwa ubani uqala. Ubani wayivula. Ubani wayigeza kanjalo le. Bokumele ngabe kuye kwaba nomkhosi omkhulu wesizwe sizogeza lezithunzi ezimbi zalapha phandle. Hey, zama Masons. Nakhona kokuqala sifunani lapha. We're not supposed to rule from there. Bokumele sakhe isigodlo sethu with African architecture, which is our symbol. manje thina singena nje union building labantu laba bayicabangela isimbolo yabo vele kune sign ye Mercury lapha kune sign another planet lapha mawubheka lapha lama simbola lapha elentuzeni Pretoria Union Building. Bayicabangele asiyinto nje. They knew ukuthi they want to enhance certain energies and bayiqinisa. Bafaka ikhonkwane. Abelungu bafaka ikhonkwane zabo la. Mawufika wena umuntu yakho uzobusela lapha. Yalimala la emkondweni. Awukhona ukucabanga. Uhlala ukhathele. Ukubona amehlo njalo. Yasinga lesabini heavy. Abantu nginaphuma lapha. Uza matureni for action lo muntu. Mawubheka. Asale phansi khona umthoko. In front of the camera. We have to get African philosophy. Ungathi kimi ungipostele ukuthi ufundile kepha ufunde Western philosophy. Mina ngiyaphoxela. Ngoba kimi uyingane ngaba nama degrees ayideni. Uyingane ngoba wazi mix neAfrican philosophy. So into okumele siphushe nasebantwaneni bethu. Abantwana bethu they must know ukuthi African philosophy exists. They need to study about creation. They need to study Sheikh Anta Diop. All these African, philosophers. Abantu abaresiste uyazi uSheikh Anta Diop futhi ngizokhuluma ngoFilo Benga. Use ubaba semdala. But ulwazi analo. It's amazing. But uzothola ukuthi la ekhona uyahlupheka. Ufana noBakpre uhambe ehlupheka. Saphila uTheophile. He's the only one left. I'm hoping ukuthi in the future, in the near future, besenza ama conference, especially in terms of decolonizing education. He's one person that we need to bring here. Because he was a friend of Sheikh Anta Diop. They worked together for ages. And these are the two people who gave us the ammunition to attack Western stereotype. Pythagoras came up with the right angle triangle. They plagiarized, man. Hey, about Newton, about Einstein. We're students of Imhotep, but they won't tell you about Imhotep. Why? Because we filter the information. So we need to study our own people. Siyeke ulokhu study shingane. Umlungu ingane kimi. Umlungu akamfundise needs me. Injalo makhe. So the first ngiyabonga. Noma sengidle isikhathi sami. Kepha ngiyabonga nje ukuthi ungikezele isikhathi ngoba le topic isemqoka. Remember ukuthi safa because of this introduction ye logic. Ukuthi abantu must use logic in their daily lives. Thina we are symbolic thinkers. Hey. Nembona ikhanda lempungoshe represents so many principles and so many things that are supposed to unlock the truth about something. Lagimi. Ngathi mengilibona lekhanda lempungushe bese ngithi hey lo muntu uyaloya. Why abeka ikhanda lempungushe la? Why? Because I'm ignorant of myself. So asifundeni makehla nani incwadi makehla. Yazi kumnandi ukuthi ngelinye lamalanga nami ngeke ngithathe ikhefu. Abanye abantu beze la bazofundisa. manje kumele silingane akumelanga kugqame mina phela angithi makhaya hey kumele mesesikhulu omunye abamba iMpumalanga omunye abamba iEastern Cape omunye abamba iWestern Cape kanjalo sibe spread all over South Africa and all over Africa and the world and the local you can't do if ungafundi. Please read. I remember me at some point for 10 years from him 17 years in food 10 full years but manje, you know, it's paying off. It was a worthwhile sacrifice. Sacrifice on my part. Get down. Hey, and I'm fond about African philosophy because African philosophy is the knowledge or philosophy of the future. If you don't possess this knowledge in future, you are going to be irrelevant. Ngoba into yabelungu nani niyayibona yafa. Slowly dying. Ilindeni na ukuthi nisukume and build your own parallel system which must be rooted by African philosophy. Ungafuna ukuzosibusa wena. Ubeka ama dates that are aligned with the Gregorian calendar but to rule us. Hey, how would I was there's the African calendar and the Gregorian calendar? So when your things are still tied to the Gregorian calendar in this day and age, kanjani? It means ukuthi mina ngiyengithi abanye abantu they are beyond redemption. It doesn't matter how much you school them, but because of your greed, they will continue doing. So Thokozani.
And thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. I always say to you, thank you. I thank the fact that, you know, he made it to this world because again, that's the test achievement.